Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Tiramisu, an Italian liqueur.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, I like tiramisu on a plate. Let's see.
I like it too. It's one of my favorite Italian desserts of all time.
Me too.
So this is tiramisu. It's got a cool, fun bottle. You know, like I said, but I like my fun bottles. It is 20. Do what?
I said very Art Deco.
It's
It's pretty.
Italian.
It's very Italian. Exactly.
It reminds me of,
Yeah, it's 24%. It's made in Verona, Italy. Made with a base of Marsala wine, which I thought was very interesting. And then it's made with cocoa, vanilla, and coffee. It's an Italian liqueur. Of course, it makes up, think of the ladyfingers soaked in espresso, coffee, mascarpone cream, and cocoa powder. It's been around since 2015. There's like almost no information whatsoever beyond that I can find on the internet. It's like, we just kind of made this whiskey and it won an award in 2015, or it's just liqueur. And it's like, here it is. See if you like it. I said, so around, it says the actual dessert was made in 1960s and came to America in 1980s. It says best to enjoy neat on ice or with coffee. So let's see what we think of this actually tastes or smells like tiramisu.
Yes.
Smells like tiramisu. Big
It does.
time. Ladyfingers, cocoa, vanilla, coffee, cream.
coffee comes out like,
Just like it.
But it's
Oh,
sweet
really
coffee.
good.
it's fresh coffee
Yes.
beans.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. I think this would be really good soaked into an actual tiramisu. That'd be awesome.
I think so too. And it has a little bit
it's
of a hazelnut feel to it.
it does. I agree with that.
It could be your sweetness.
My gosh, it smells like coffee, but it's just a sugared sweet coffee.
I get cream.
Mhm.
Spin it up a little bit. It keeps on giving me new flavors.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. It smells really good to me.
It smells very sweet.
Oh, I
It
don't think
smells
Will's
like I
gonna-
want to go to Italiani's and
Ooh.
have some tiramisu.
I agree with
Yeah.
you.
So when you spin it up, the coffee note does get richer and bolder.
It sticks out more, huh?
It's almost more of an espresso,
I spin again. I get some cream.
like a whipped.
It's like that Kahlua Midnight, that more
It's that
coffee-based
That
one.
topping cream that they
Mhm.
put on the top.
All right. Let's try it out.
Oh,
Whoa.
way too sweet for him, but
It tastes just like tiramisu.
it tastes just like
tastes-
tiramisu.
Just
It's really good.
I like it,
I
and
like
I
it a lot.
think it needs to go in some coffee.
Wow.
Yeah, in coffee that would be very tasty.
That's
I think-
it's
Go ahead.
it's the ladyfingers. It's the it's the vanilla, the coffee, the
I
cream.
think I
It's all
need to
there.
get some ladyfingers and just soak them in this,
Oh god, it'd be so good.
and then just put some whipped cream on top of it, and
yes,
be good.
please. Sounds amazing. Should do that. I think it'll be a fun episode.
Yes, let's do it, Matt. He won't do it.
You go do it. We will. We'll have a good time.
We will.
Sounds like a horrible.
Horrible. horrible plan.
Okay.
Sounds
Well,
like a grand old time to me.
Mhm.
You're killing Matt.
you can have that.
Not
I'm gonna
very
go
much
out on
there.
some Octomore.
Ugh. All right. Tastes just like tiramisu.
It's
It's got
really
that
does.
coffee in there. It's got that cream. It's got that
Mhm.
sweetness. Get yourself some ladyfingers
Yeah.
and dump some on it. Soak it overnight. Add some
Yeah,
whipped
you-
cream and go to
You like
town.
tiramisu, you're gonna freaking love this stuff.
Over ice cream,
Oh, so good over ice
over
cream.
vanilla ice cream, or even made into a shake.
Oh, it'd be so dangerous as a shake. Like,
Ooh, yeah.
ooh, that sounds awesome in a shake.
Half that bottle's gone in like an hour.
Yeah.
You can have
We need another shake.
Guy has another one.
Where's more shake?
I need some more shake, please.
Some more.
Yeah, for real.
It's so good.
All right. Don't make Matt laugh.
Sorry.
Kill him on the last one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out live on Monday nights and check out our Patreon for this stuff. Until next time.
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Oh.
We should do it, Matt, for a Patreon release.
I'm okay with that. That sounds awesome.
We need to find some ladyfingers.
God, I
It's a
love
good
apple
idea.
wine. It's so
I'm a
good.
big fan. This was
It's
shit was
so
really
good.
good. Yeah, I think I found this like 5 or 6 years. No, maybe long. No, older than that. God, maybe 10 years ago. Over at fucking was it Fossil Creek? Some random ass. Looking in the random ass shit section, I'm like, I'll take that. It's like $25.
Random
Sounds
ass
good to me.
shit.
You know me. I'm always looking in the random ass section.